So to continue, what happened with my cousin? So we started talking. We continued talking about his situation. I started learning more about the psychological issues he may be facing. And coincidentally, or perhaps providentially, while all of this was happening, I started my second to the last semester in the University of Asia and the Pacific, where I had my college education, and I got enrolled in a college ethics class. And my professor at that time was an active volunteer of the Archdiocese of Manila Office of Exorcism. He was a lay deliverance minister. And so there I was, dear brothers and sisters. I was a Protestant, slowly being attracted by the beauty, by the coherence of the Catholic faith. And now I'm sitting in a class with someone who's actually helping the Catholic Church in real life cases of possession and other spiritual activities. And that was one of the stepping stones that God used to start breaking down my prejudices and eventually bringing me into full communion with the Catholic Church.